You see that?
Yeah.
I'll tell you about it next time. Do you want to know what I saw up in the sky? It had red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Do you know what those colors make? You've got it! A rainbow! What's your favorite color in a rainbow? Mine is indigo. I also just think indigo is very fun to say. Can you say it with me? Indigo. Indigo. Now, what two things do you need to make a rainbow? Rain and sun. Wait a second. Rain and sun at the same time? That's pretty wacky weather. And we've had some wacky weather, and I have seen you guys exploring some of that wacky weather. Windy. There's one thing that you often find in different kinds of weather. It's clouds. Do you want to make a cloud with me? Come on. You can make your very own cloud at home. With your parents' help, take some boiling water and pour it into a glass jar. Now, dump out most of that water, leaving a little bit at the bottom. Take a match, let it burn for a little bit, and then drop it in the water. Now take a bag of ice, place it over the top of the bowl. Look inside. Do you see a cloud beginning to form? What will happen if I release that cloud? Have you ever noticed that there's different shapes of clouds? Some are white and fluffy like cauliflower. Those are called cumulonimbus clouds. And some are hazy and white like you took a paintbrush and painted it across the sky. I like to look at the clouds and see what shapes I find in them, like animals or insects or boats or airplanes or cars. Take your nature notes to the backyard, lay down and look up into the sky and see what shapes you see in the clouds. Then draw in your nature notes those shapes that you see. That cloud kind of looks like a chicken. Or maybe a little baby duckling. And sometimes I like to watch the wind blow some clouds faster than the others. Sometimes I like to imagine climbing up into the clouds and what it would feel like on top of those fluffy cauliflowers. Do you see any shapes in these clouds here?
I see a half rainbow. Well, I kind of see. Oh, what's that above those sheets? It looks like a squirrel. At least I brought my squirrel friend.
I've really enjoyed cloud watching with you. I can't wait to see what you've put in your nature notes. Wait, what's that over there? I'll tell you about it next time.